This dance is called Always Will. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, walking forward. So walk right, left, right, then point the left out to the left side. There's no weight on that left foot, so you're going to walk back, starting with that left, so walk back left, right, left, point the right out to the right side. So again, there's no weight on that right foot. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 point, back, 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 point. You're going to add on a jazz box with a quarter turn. So you're going to cross that right over the left, step back on that left, make a quarter turn right, and as you do so, make sure you turn your whole body, don't leave it with a twist in there, and then step that left beside the right. That's your jazz box quarter turn. You're then going to step the right to the side, point that left over the right, step the left to the side, point the right over the left. That set of steps once more then, jazz box off on that right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point. Add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 point, back, 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 point. Cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point. Going into a couple of vines. So the right foot is currently pointed over the left, so there's no weight on that right, so we're going to start off on that right foot. So you step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. No weight on that left, so we vine back to the left, starting with that left foot. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. To finish the dance, we're going into a K step. So you just have to imagine a capital K, and you're drawing the V of the K on the floor. So all these steps are done on the diagonal. So we're starting with that right foot, so it's in that touch position. So you're going to step the right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally back to the left, or where it came from, touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right, and step the left diagonally forward to the left, back to where it came from, touch the right beside the left. So hopefully you can see you're drawing that V of that capital K on the floor. That set of steps once more then. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. End the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point. Cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, point. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to bring music. Walk, point, back, point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, back, step, touch, walk, back, point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, walk, point, back, point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, back, touch, step, touch, walk, point, back, point, cross, back, turn, close, side, point, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, walk. Jazz. Vine, step, walks, jazz, vine, step, walks, jazz, vine, jazz, vines, step,
hope you managed that one.